Hi there, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, your work from home organizing coach. I'm also the expert on the TV show Hoarders. And I hope you're doing okay. I know a lot of people in my area are starting to get tested for the coronavirus. And I hope by staying at home and working from home that you're safe. One of the things that I've heard people ask me about or seen people ask me about is, Dorothy, I am getting distracted. What should I do? So my answer is, I'd like for you to go to maybe one of your piles. I know for me, I keep a pile, it's my first priority pile, and in it is stuff I need to do. And it's stuff that's most current on top and things that are far older on bottom. You might have something like that in one of your piles at home, at your home office. So if you do, I suggest pulling out something from the bottom and take a look at it and actually do one small step toward completing something from that bottom of the pile and see what happens. I know for sure you'll have a sense of accomplishment and you'll be getting something done that has been weighing on your mind for a long time. When that's out of the way, I assure you, you'll be able to, not feel so distracted anymore. Good luck.